This feels like before the attack on Freemark.
The one that set off the Heart of Rage?
I don't really know the whole story.
I do. Much of what I am about to tell you is not well known. My ward, Johnny, was there 10 years ago. She saw it with her own eyes. What you will already know is that Freemark was one of the great cities of Bastion. Ancient, proud, prosperous, but most important, it held the largest and greatest enclave of freelancers anywhere. The freelancers, along with the Sentinels, guardians of the walls, protected Freemark and its people from the chaos of our world. Until one day, the Dominion arrived on their doorstep. Cruel conquerors from the north.
It's nice when you have an AT-AT, an AT-AT.
The Dominion, the Sentinels, and the Freelancers would make their claim for Freemark that day. Each group heirs in their own right to the legendary General Tarsis and her Legion of Dawn.
There's no place for carbon fiber in this world.
One of our best, Freelancer Adams, led the charge as the Enclave left to meet the Dominion forces head-on.
Sounds like Star Wars a bit.
My Johnny, says the army, was massive. The Dominion was led by Dr. Harkin, a man never seen before or after that day. He came to take the city at any cost. So they fought, outnumbered, outflanked, and outgunned.
I think that's what cryptocurrency is all about.
Freelancers fought.
Just come take it.
They did well for a time.
Those graphics are really good right there.
But the walls of the great Freemark
They look a
did
lot like
not
in-game graphics,
hold.
honestly.
The Dominion poured in. Adams, with many freelancers, made their last stand outside the city walls.
Yeah, because those are frames right there. It was pre-rendered.
While
they weren't
some,
allowed to have it.
like Johnny, stayed to help who she could.
Goodbye, frames.
When, without warning, the doomed Sentinels fell back.
This is what Anthem title is.
But now I tell you that deep in the city, Johnny discovered what the Sentinels already knew. The Dominion didn't want to destroy Freemark. They wanted to capture an ancient Shaper relic that was protected deep inside the city. The Cenotaph.
It's like history right here. Science fiction like this, it really makes you think that the games are so much further ahead of movies, and that the movies are snoozing on good, imaginative.
It seems this Dr. Harkin
Science fiction has
believed
gone to
he
game.
had created
It used
a
to be
way
in the
for the
movies.
Dominion to use the Cenotaph to control the Anthem of creation itself.
I think some of it's so far-fetched that the people don't feel like they can go to the theater and buy the ticket to sit down and watch it. I don't know what
The Anthem will not.
Science
be
fiction lives in
controlled.
games.
The terrible cataclysm which was unleashed that day destroyed Freemark, destroyed the Dominion, destroyed everything.
That's like right there.
That cataclysm became the heart of rage. Some survived to tell the story of Freemark, but not many.
Dominion must be back for a reason.
I clearly have more intel to hunt down. Come and find me later.
Yeah, me too. I'll contact you when I have something.
I'll be in the Enclave.
You would be, wouldn't it? Playing on a PC or a Xbox, it's